Mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you can now walk in. What you need just to do here is just immediately you enter. You're going to be making a jump, alright? So you jump up, then you do as if you shift back, then you throw your hands, alright? Then after that, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, click on photos, guys. Import your background for the video, click on it and drag it to the duration of the video, then you come back. Click anywhere and click on overlay. Add overlay. Click on your videos again, your videos. Import green screen dragon, import it. Then at this point, go and look for remove BG, guys. Remove BG, click on remove BG. Chroma key, you drag it down, mark on that good and go back. Click on it again and go and locate adjust, guys. Locate adjust, click on adjust now. HSL, click on it, green. Then you reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on that good and go back. Then you expound it and position your dragon the way you want it to be, alright? Make your necessary. I don't like that noise. So you are going to be clicking on the green screen now. Click on the green screen. Let's remove that noise, okay? As I don't like that noise. So you click on it and click volume. Reduce it to 0. You mark on that good and go back. So the next thing now is to add our keyframe, alright? So at this point you come back, click on the video and go and click on keyframe there. So you click on keyframe, push out this dragon completely. Look at what I am doing. Push it out. Then you adjust the video. After adjusting it, then you push in the dragon again. Push the dragon in. Push it in. So at this point, make your necessary adjustments and let's see what it look like. Good. So at this point now, immediately the dragon split the light. You click and make a split. Then as you make a split, we are going to be splitting the rest light. Then this place, make another split here. Click on that one, delete it. Click on this one and align it. So that immediately the light just come out. Then it will enter to another part. So after that, you click on overlay. You import your video to workspace. Click on it and click on volume. Reduce it to 0. Mark on that good and go back. Go and locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. As you can see, is applying. Alright, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? And just in case you need this green screen dragon, don't hesitate to chat me up, then I will send it to you. Or if you need any other effects that we use in this video, just DM me, then I will send it to you, alright? Welcome to the tutorial. Is still removing. Now he has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Go and locate that character. Look at the character. Immediately you jump up now. Click on the video and you make a split, alright? Click on it, make a split, alright? Then you delete this first part. We don't need it. Click on this one and drag it to the front, alright? Drag it to the front. Before the light comes out, before the dragon light comes out, that is where you are going to be leaving this your line. Then you click on this video and drag this character to this line here, alright? Immediately before the light comes out, then you will click on the video now and add keyframe again. Click on the video, immediately click on it, add another keyframe. As you add keyframe, turn the character. Good. After turning the character, you crop the character and take it to the point of the light. Then you make your necessary adjustments so that you make sure that the character is on the light. Then after that, you adjust the video a bit. After your adjustments and everything, you will now be adjusting the video. You can see I'm still cropping, but after the whole adjustment, then you will adjust your video then you start pulling out the character again. Pull out the character. So you're pulling out the character, you are positioning the character at the position of jumping down. So pull out the character, make sure the character is still at that point of that light. So as you are pulling him out, you are making your necessary adjustments, and you are doing every other thing. Take time here so that you will do a good job. Don't rush this place. This place is very delicate and it's very, very important. So as you are turning the character, you are still positioning the character to the light. After that, bring the character down. Look at what I just did. This is it. Let us just see how it's going to look like. Good. The character will now come down. So as you want to throw your hand now, that is where we are going to be clicking on overlay to import this light here. Bring this light to workspace, click on splice, click on filter, then you reduce the texture of the light a bit if you like. After that, mark on that good and go back. Use your hand to turn the light now and take it to the point of the character as well. Take it to the mouth of that dragon. It now turn to, all of them is now dragon light, all right? So take it to the mouth of the dragon. After that, you make your necessary adjustments, all right? So you add keyframe on the light as well. Add keyframe, you adjust the hair, look at it, then you make your necessary adjustments. After adjusting and see that your adjustment is okay, then we are going to be splitting the light as well, but make your necessary adjustments. Don't rush, okay? Don't rush. Look at, you can see I am making my adjustments, expanding my light, cropping it to make sure I get the necessary things. All right, so those are the things you will make sure you do as well. Then after that, after doing all of that now, then you are going to be making a split on this very light. All right, if you need the light as well, DM me, I will send it to you. Okay, after the whole thing now, you will now split this light at this point. Split it, make a split, click on it and split. Delete this last part, we don't need it again. So look at how it's going to play now. Good. So this is nice. All right, so the next thing now is, before you throw your hands, all right, we are going to be importing another light. So you will click on add overlay again. Then you import this very particular Mr. Man again. Click on splice again, then you click on filter. All right, then at this point you mark on that good and go back. Then you will add your keyframe here. As you add your keyframe now, then just add your keyframe and push this light to the point of your hands. All right, push it to the point of your hands. So as you push it at the point of your hand, you will adjust the video again, then you move the light, all right, towards that dragon, because you want to use the light to shoot the dragon out, remember. So immediately you adjust the video, still adjust this light to the point of your hands. All right, so as you adjust your hand again, then you push the light. All right, just take example of what I'm push the light now, expound the light a bit, expound the light. After expounding it now, then you take it to the dragon direct. All right, take it to the dragon. From there pick it up to the dragon straight, then you expound it the more. I feel it's okay. Then at the end now, let us see what it look like. Good, this is nice. So the next thing we are going to be doing is, we want to add another key to that dragon green screen. Then you adjust it and push the dragon out, so that immediately the light gets to the dragon, it will move the dragon out. Look at what I just did. So follow the same pattern and the same. Good, you can see the dragon has gone out. So you come and work on this your light now, so that your light and the dragon will be at the same time. So click on your light here and make a split at this point where the light hits the dragon. Then you delete this other part. Let us see what it look like now. Good, you can see. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is, take time, watch here. After you have seen that it's good, we are going to be removing the unwanted part of the video. All right, so at this point now, no, come back. You want to click here now and make a split. We have gotten what we want. Make a split. Click on this one, make a split. Click on the first one, make a split, and delete the three of them, because we have gotten what we want. After that, now let's play the video from the beginning and see what we have got so far. All right, let's see what we have got. Good. So the next thing is you throw your light to the dragon. Good. So at this point now, I am convinced and sure that this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, every other effect, and after that you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add it. I want you to put me through. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through how to add your effects and every other thing. After that, now export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handle. But there's another thing you want to understand here. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. Trying to export this video now, you cannot be able because you are not a pro member. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch the video. After that, you will now come and export your video with ease. Then after that, you share your video to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Alright, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.